So welcome to Croatia. We're in Zagreb and it is time for the room tour. So we have been traveling since Sunday, Mexico. Monday, Atlanta, and then London. Tuesday, London, then Warsaw, and now Wednesday here. Who could it be? Wait a minute, maybe I should come in. Hello, who's there?
Hello, welcome.
Who are you? Is this your Airbnb?
Yes.
Well, thank you. What's your name?
My name.
That's beautiful.
My name is Ellie from Upton Family Adventures.
Oh.
My first name is Ellie. My last name is Upton Family Adventures.
What's your middle name?
Upton Family Adventures.
So your name is Ellie Upton Family Adventures? Upton Family Adventures?
Yes.
Huh, that's beautiful.
No, my first name is Upton Family Adventures. My middle name is Upton Family Adventures. And my last name is Upton Family Adventures.
Ooh, that's a beautiful name. I love it. I think that would make a good family travel vlog name. Just throwing that out there. So that is our host here at the Airbnb in Zagreb. So we're doing a month rental here, and I think it comes out to about $39 US a night. I'll put that price right here. When I double check that, that's with all your taxes, fees, all that fun stuff. So when you come in, you have a lovely place to hang your coat in your pashmina. In my an umbrella. We've been needing to buy those, but instead we got one here from Upton Family Adventures, Upton Family Adventures, Upton Family Adventures. Ooh, lovely. And so this is the master bedroom. Ooh, with the mistress.
I'm so sleepy. And the bed seems actually comfortable. And there's a TV in this room and in every room, which I have heard is a great luxury here. So, anyway.
A TV in every room and a chicken in every pot.
We are
And a Wawa in every state if you elect me president.
We are quarantined for 10 days. So, TV is sometimes nice. They told us it was 10 at immigration.
So it's 10 now. Yep, so there's that.
Yay.
We have a closet. We have lights. You have a writer. There's Wi-Fi.
There's Wi-Fi.
Lights. You have radiator heat, which looks like you are able to adjust the heat.
It doesn't work, but if you feel this pipe, it feels warm.
Now, why do you say it doesn't work?
It does work. It's just not on, is what she's saying.
Oh, okay. All right. Fair enough. Well, anyways, radiator heat. So that's going to be good for the skin. Lies.
Are we going to
I don't know. I'm excited about radiator heat. Well, sure. We can go wherever you want. Yeah, we're excited about heat in general.
Okay, this is me and Carla's bedroom.
Ooh.
We got 3 beds. Also, we got a bigger TV than them.
Well, I'm super jelly. What do you do to get a? What'd you do to get a bigger TV than your parents?
We didn't have a big bed. We just had a lot of beds.
A lot of beds, a lot of TVs, a lot of little bottles. Make a little bottle chappy. Big closet. Ooh, and look at this piece of artwork. Oh, it's beautiful. Hey, I see you. There you are. Come on in. Many beds. See. Ooh, look at the cool paintings. Cool paintings in your Airbnb.
There's another one over
That's what I used to look like when I was fashionable. You believe that, Ellie?
No.
All right. So come on. Here we go.
Here is the shower. There is
Shower.
no toilet in here.
That's good. So you got your shower. You have sink, and it looks like you have. We know it's at least a washer. It may be a washer-dryer combo. We're gonna have to get back to you on that. Oh, so maybe it's just a washer. We don't know. This is kind of like the main little just foyer area with all the different rules here as well.
So this is the toilet room.
What happens in here?
You make it stinky.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 1 Well, isn't that embarrassing? Yes, it is. It's gonna be interesting. I got really nothing to say to that. I'm pretty tired, but that's hilarious. I love it. Witty. There's the toilet. There's your little sink. You're not sure? Are you in a IKEA? Are you in a fashionable apartment in Zagreb? So the couch is big, and the couch is hard. But it's very cool. So big couch. You got a desk over here where you can edit YouTube videos for Upton Family Adventures. Silence, please. Looks like you have aircon. We shall not need that. House rules, another TV. Looks like they've won lots of awards. 9.7 for Booking.com. Guest Review Awards, 9.7. Looks like 2020, they dropped the ball and only got a 9.5. Just kidding, killing the game. And this is why we came to Zagreb, for the holidays. So you got Santa, and you got a little gnome, super cute. Never Roma gnome. And don't wait for your ship to come in. Go out to your ship. They have nice glasses that you should never let kids handle. You have a balcony. Ooh. It's super cold compared to Mexico where we've been, but pretty beautiful. Little sitting area, drying rack. Have your coffee out here. And have a schmoke and a pancake. You can have a schmoke and a pancake out here, it looks like. So here's your schmoke. And we just need pancakes. Yeah. Pancakes for the kids and a schmoke for everyone else. All right, so now we are going to the kitchen because we're gonna be here during Thanksgiving. And we're gonna bring the energy. I don't care if we've been traveling for over 72 hours. I don't care if we slept in an airport all night. We are here for the Airbnb review and this is gonna be awesome. This place is dope. We slept 15 minutes. Look at this kitchen. There's a sale in the kitchen store. You have this table where you can have a turkey, you can have mashed potatoes, you can have cranberry. Let me ask you, do you like your cranberry just out of the can? Do you like the ridges? How do you like to do it? I don't like any of the cranberries, but you tell me how you like yours. I like macaroni. When it comes to macaroni.
I like the actual cranberry.
Out of the can or just, oh, you like just the cranberry?
Like with sugar.
Ooh, with sugar. Now to make all these things, and who do you guys think cooks the Thanksgiving? Is it Amanda? Is it me?
Both. And it's the kids.
Thanks for saying it's me. I don't do squat. I definitely set up and I clean like a boss. But we have an oven.
You are the cleaner and mommy and the kids are the cookers.
Ooh yeah, the kids are the cookers. So we can boil some eggs here. We can make deviled eggs. We have the oven for the turkey. For the macaroni and cheese, the Ronald Reagan macaroni and cheese is cheesy and it's delicious. America, right here in the Croatia, America.
Here is the fridge, so then after Thanksgiving, if we don't finish our food, we can put it
Ooh,
in here.
you know what Mommy and Daddy's favorite part of Thanksgiving is, Ellie?
Ice cream.
Leftovers. And thankfulness. So we got a microwave.
Oh, look. One thing that me and Charlie are super happy about, you see this? You see how we always have to do the dishes at every place we go to?
Ooh, a dishwasher. Yep, so that's always the kids' responsibilities at Airbnbs. Charlie and Ellie alternate days for who does dishes, so they're pumped to have the dishwasher.
Hey, look at that clock.
That's a cool clock. Spoons and forks. And if we have KFC, maybe there'll be a spork. There is a KFC right up the road if that's your jam. Which it's mine. I love the Colonel Sanders.
Here.
I don't know. It's got a key. Let's not go in there. We have another balcony where it's a little balcony, but it overlooks. You have a little coffee shop right down below where you can get espresso. Little road. Yeah, Grandma could put her pie there for Thanksgiving. I like that. And then the big bad wolf will come and eat it. Ha, me. So 100 meters that way, strike that, switch that. I don't know. To the left, there's a supermarket. Then there's different restaurants down to the right. You have espresso, coffee shop downstairs. Ooh. So we're right near a tram stop to go into, I guess, the main square where everything is in Zagreb. Oh, running into stuff. So is it Zagreb or is it Zagreb? I don't know. Someone tell us in the comments. So the only other question I have, is there a coffee maker? Or we go downstairs to that. Oh, well stocked with all your dishes. Looks like they're from IKEA, which is great.
Yay, we love
Ooh, we do have a kettle. And it looks like we have, maybe that's a waffle or a press.
Ooh.
You can make some tea. Looks like some coffee mugs.
What's up, Ray?
I don't know. So, more cups, nice cups. Yeah. Well, cool. Well, I think we're gonna do just right here in Croatia. So we're gonna quarantine this set for 10 days. If we take a test, we'll be out before then. But it's like $130 a test. We have 1,000 children, so it's cheaper to quarantine. And there's Ellie. Happy Halloween. Whoa, ooh, you be careful.
It's the cutting board.
Yeah, no bueno.
I'm gonna cut the board.
Oh, I like it. She has daddy's humor. And mommy's good looks. And she's got more laughs than a comic book. She's got her daddy's something, her mama's good looks. Look who's looking at me. Well, anyways, that's all we got.
There's a bunch of lots.
I think this is a pretty dope Airbnb. So the guy's parents who own this met us here. Oh, Amanda's asleep. Oh, it's very comfortable. Oh, she's asleep. So we have to be quiet. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll put the link for the Airbnb down in the comments. So if you're coming to Croatia, come to Zagreb, you can book this place right through this link. Also, I don't know, maybe we'll put some family-friendly properties in a link down there through Airbnb, because Airbnb's the bomb.com. So, any last words, Ellie?
Any last words?
She's freaking hilarious. I love it. All right, so bye from Upton Family Adventures until we meet again. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.